Hey, Miss McKnight.
Yeah.
How you doing, Miss?
Oh, yeah. Just like I'm gonna keep it real like I always have. I did my part by getting into class, but it was just the way she was just talking to me and treating me like some days I might miss my classes, but then I still pay and I still take my classes. Like, I have children that's not in my custody, so I don't have control of when I have to do my visitation. I don't. But what I'm trying to say is that I came up with a plan, and I'm working on it now. And the plan is, Your Honor, is for me to enroll into another program. My baby daddy, he's been helping so far. But what I'm gonna do as a woman and keep my word is do what I'm told to do.
Ma'am, cut it out. If you did what you were supposed to do as a quote woman, you wouldn't be here. You're not doing what you're supposed to do. That's why you're in front of the judge. I don't know what's going on with this lady. Just a bunch of excuses I hear so far, and this poor Oscar performance. Take a second to make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and click the notification bell for all updates. Won't waste any time. Let's go ahead and jump into it.
Are you taking your meds, Miss McKnight?
Oh, you know I'm pregnant. I can't do all that.
Miss McKnight, you got to stop getting pregnant, ma'am. I know that's not a thing that people supposed to say, but you keep bringing kids into this world and you can't take care of them. Please stop.
I see nothing wrong with what the judge just said to her. I mean, if somebody had been telling her the truth the whole time, maybe she wouldn't be in this situation. But how is it that you can't take care of yourself, you can't take care of your children, you're a deadbeat mom, other people are taking care of them, and then you're pregnant again? And then who would get this woman pregnant? This is just all trash behavior.
Well,
It's like every year I see you, you got 2 kids. Miss McKnight, this is not fair to these babies. You keep having, what are we on, number 8 now?
no.
7?
Yeah.
Wait a damn minute. Wait a damn.
Now, I know she didn't say that she had 10 babies, and she don't have custody of any of them, but using them as an excuse for her not completing a class that was court ordered. She had no time to keep up with the class and go like she was supposed to, but she had time to get pregnant again. And I'm with the judge. You don't have to get pregnant every time you're in a relationship or every time you lay down with somebody. I don't understand this.
Miss McKnight, you know you can have sex without having a baby, right? They got stuff for that.
Yeah.
You can have, you can use contraception and not have a baby. You can't take care of no kids because you can't take care of yourself.
And here's the thing.
No, here's the thing. We've been doing this I've been on the bench 11 years. 7 of those I've been in state court. I've been seeing you all 7 of those years that I've been on state court. And every time I see you, you pregnant.
This is
every single time.
This is it, yeah.
No, this is what is wrong is you keep bringing babies that you're not taking care of. Stop.
Yes, ma'am.
And every one of them, you got a baby daddy who don't help you with these babies.
Yeah.
Is this still Tony or is this somebody else? Don't tell me you done had another baby with Tony.
No.
She said that one of the baby daddies was helping her. The question is, how many of them do she have? And then here's the thing, why should they be helping her when she don't even have the kids? They should either 1, take their child, or 2, contribute to the person who is taking care of them. What is this grown behind woman who keep opening up her legs, having multiple babies over and over? What is she doing to help herself?
McKnight, you know I know your situation.
I know.
And with your illness, you gotta stop having babies and bringing these babies into the world and then not taking care of them. You love being pregnant, you love having babies, but then these babies gotta go somewhere. And I know whoever's taking care of these babies is getting overwhelmed. You got babies probably spread out among several places and they can't even be together with each other. I need you to stop having babies. These men who are having these babies with you ought to recognize that this is not a good situation.
They don't see it because she's laying down with trash. There is no quality man laying down with this. She's trash, the baby daddy's trash. All of this is just a mess. And unfortunately, all of her kids are suffering because of her decisions.
Go to the doctor and get on some kind of birth control that you don't have to think about. Something under your skin. IUD, something, because you keep bringing babies into this world and you're not taking care of them. And when you're pregnant, you can't take your meds. When you're off your meds, we have this situation. You are currently off your meds, which, as I'm reading this email from the gentleman who was on the treatment team, it's clear you weren't on your meds. So, ma'am, this is going to keep happening. You keep getting pregnant. You keep going off your meds because you're pregnant. You keep having babies that you're not taking care of. And then while you're off your meds, I see you. Go to the doctor and get you something that's going to stop you from having these babies. Because I think you're doing it as a comfort to yourself. But these babies aren't here for you. You're supposed to be there for them. You're having babies because it makes you feel good. And it is a comfort for you. But think about what happens every time you have a baby. How many of your children are with you? Huh? 3? You have 3 kids with you. What you think is going to happen with this baby? Ms. McKnight, I need you to think about yourself and the fact that you need to stay on your meds. And every time you get pregnant, you go off your meds and you see me. That's why I know how many babies you got. This has been a cycle ever since I got on state court. Take a breath. Breathe.
Okay, so she's got 10 children and 3 of them are with her? You're supposed to have all of them. So where are the 7 children at? And it's annoying because they never learn their lesson. They get coddled in court like she's a little baby. This woman is in criminal court, not middle school.
And if I put you in jail, who takes care of those babies?
So because she has children, she's able to go around and terrorize the community and other people. She's able to break the law and be a nuisance, not completely follow any of the orders once she's caught. All because she's a single mother who chose this lifestyle, by the way, times 10.
I need you to stay on your meds so you can stay out of jail. You got me?
Yes, ma'am.
But if you don't stay on your meds, you can't stay out of jail. If you don't stay out of jail, then what are those babies doing? The 3 that you've got with you. You gotta stop just having babies. When do you think it's gonna be enough?
Yeah.
That's what you said the last time.
I mean it.
You said that the last time.
I mean it. I mean it. I mean it.
Breathe, Miss McKnight. I know being a mom is important to you, and I'm not trying to denigrate that. But what I want you to understand is you got to be a mom to the babies you already have. You got to stop having new babies thinking that's going to fix it.
I'm sorry, being a mother is not important to this woman, obviously. Running the streets, sleeping with men, doing whatever she want to do, that's what's important to her. She's not prioritizing being a mother. She's not prioritizing being a law-abiding citizen. She's been before this same judge every year, 7 years straight. And the real reason is just like a lot of them, they're never held accountable.
Okay? Give her some more tissue, please. The reason you came in talking so fast when you came in is because I know your situation. And you were trying to head me off before I got deep into what's going on with you. But I know. But you're going to keep having these situations if you're not on your medicine. And if you're not on your medicine, then you can't take care of the kids you have. But every time you get pregnant, you go off your medicine, and then we have the same situation again. It's a cycle. The only way to stop that is you got to stop getting pregnant and you got to stay on your meds so you can take care of the kids you already have.
Yes, ma'am.
Breathe. Mr. Cash, do you have a recommendation for Miss McKnight?
Oh, Your Honor, I do.
Everything.
Your Honor, my first recommendation
You got one in there somewhere.
to do 15 days in jail and probation.
No.
In light of the fact that she has not enrolled in family violence, that she was court ordered to do.
I did enroll.
Yeah, she enrolled, but I got the email that you included from the person who she basically abused by going there and cussing them out.
And now this big old grown woman is up here crying whenever she heard the state say they recommended 15 days in jail. But yeah, she didn't complete her treatment because she was up there cursing out the staff. Just like the staff have to treat the patients a certain way, patients can't go around disrespecting the staff either.
I will go ahead and recommend that that we return her back to probation, give her an opportunity to see if she can enroll in family violence.
No, you know what? If she comes back to probation, she's going to have to do a mental health eval and get back on her meds. Miss McKnight,
Yes, ma'am.
there's got to be some kind of mental health medication they can give you while you're pregnant.
I know it. I'm gonna go get it.
You're going to have to present to Mr. Cash every month that you are on your medications with a doctor's certificate.
And them allowing her to use his mental health stuff as a crutch is really annoying. The whole time she said that she wasn't able to take medicine because she was pregnant. Now she's acknowledging that she can take it. The truth is it's safer to make her go to jail versus taking this medicine, but I don't know. If she complied with the law and court orders, she wouldn't even be going through all this. So she's bringing this on herself. A man cannot come in the courtroom 7 years back to back to back to back with the same issues and just cry it out and not have to face any consequences. Please show me men that are able to do that. Back to back to back to back, 7 years straight, the same judge, the same issues. And how many of you want to bet the same excuses? I don't want to hear about the mental health stuff because most people in jail have some sort of issue with mental health, whether it's depression, anxiety, personality disorders, whatever. And if her mental health is so bad, why they don't have her in an institution? I'll tell you why. It's because right now it's only being used as an excuse. Yeah, if her mental health is so bad, institutionalize her. She should be at the state hospital right now. Either that or once and for all, put her in jail for violation.
Okay. But what about the classes?
What about what?
Right now. And then baby daddy just leave me, so
Miss McKnight, breathe, stop, because I can't understand you when you're like this. Just breathe until you can talk to me.
She is asking about the family violence intervention program that she was court ordered to do. I think financially she's not. I think
Mr. Cash, we might suspend that. Miss McKnight has been through FVIP probably more times than most people. Miss McKnight, I need you to be medically compliant. So you're going to go to your doctor within 3 days of leaving here, 5 days, and you're going to talk to them about getting back on your...
To see if they call your name. To see what they say. You don't know what they say.
Miss Anderson.
Oh, shit. I'm sorry.
Yeah, mute, please. You all over my hearing, and you're supposed to be here in person. I don't know why you're on this hearing. All right, so Miss McKnight, I'm going to return you to probation. You're going to see your doctor within 5 days of today. You're going to show proof of mental health medicine compliance every 2 weeks until your probation ends. Now that means you're going to have to go to your doctor. You're going to have to make sure you got the shot or whatever it is they're giving, but you're going to have to make sure you are taking it. You understand? I know you are pregnant, but there are medicines that you can take while you are pregnant. You understand? Do you understand me?
Yes, ma'am. May I speak on?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm trying to understand this. So, OBGYN that I go to, her name is Dr. King. I can call her and speak with her.
Okay, well, I need you to go to Dr. King.
That's my OBGYN that I go to.
You can prescribe medicines that'll go well with your pregnancy. But Miss McKnight, you cannot keep bringing babies into this world thinking it's going to fix whatever the problem is. It's not.
Yes, ma'am.
And you keep bringing babies in here that you're not taking care of. And that's not fair to the babies.
It's not that I'm not taking care of. Like, I do buy them things. I do.
Babe, Miss McKnight, you understand what I'm saying. You know exactly what I'm saying.
And look, already she's trying to get words in. The judge is telling her, stop having these babies. You can't take care of them. And now she's trying to come back and say, oh, I do take care of my babies. I buy them stuff. Girl, we take care of your babies. We, the people, are the ones taking care of you and your babies. You don't work. And why would you even argue to try to prove that point to the judge right now? Trying to be right when she's letting you off. Just be quiet and go home.
These babies deserve to come into a stable family, and you're not there yet. Not that you won't ever get there, but you're not there now. All right? Breathe. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Just slow down on the having babies, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Because any man who's going to have a baby with you he's abusing you. He's not treating you well, because he should know that you can't take care of these babies right now. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Go sit down and compose yourself before you leave. And Mr. Cash will tell you when he needs to see you.
And you see, this right here is why she's never going to get better. This judge did a lot of babying with a woman that she's been seeing every year for 7 years. This is criminal court. But she's not telling her that the men she's dealing with, they're low quality and she's low quality too. No, she's saying any man that's with you, they're abusing you. Like, really? This grown woman understanding how to make babies because she has a lot of them. I could have sworn the woman said that she had 10. The judge only remembers 7. Way too many. And she's not taking care of them because most of them don't even live with her. Pregnant again right now. She's making it seem like everything she's going through is just some circumstance. No, these are consequences. Consequences for her own decisions as a grown woman. Like, cut it out. She's not a baby. She wasn't doing all this crying when she was over there cursing them people out at the treatment center. How do you get to act like that and then come before a judge and cry your way out of jail? This is crazy. Let's go ahead and get the conversation started. What do you think about all of this? Shout out to Lamar. I appreciate you, Lamar, for your support, as well as Aisha, Kiba, and Odiri. Don't forget that you can support this channel as well. Links to Cash App and PayPal are below. Ladies, fellas, want a balanced analysis, want the truth from a woman's perspective? Then you're going to want to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like and share.